Hello everyone, happy to see you here, welcome back to my channel, Brain Logic, really interesting and great and relaxing challenge today. We have 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. So here's our challenge today and here's our answers. We have 3 options right here. So what do you think is the correct answer? Because right here on the first side, nothing hard. Yeah, we have subtraction, we have multiplication. So everyone learns this stuff in the 3rd grade. Everyone can easily solve it because this is like nothing hard. This is not like a huge values right here. We have only 2, multiplication and subtraction. So right now, what is the correct answer? What do you think? Right here we have 3 options, A, B and C. So choose one option. What do you think is the correct answer? And write your option down into the comment section. But please don't use your calculator right here because let's use our super brain in our head. It will be really interesting to check our answers and of course to check your school knowledge. Here's our question, here's our answer, and let's try to solve it. First of all, we have our question, so I wanted to write it right here. So we have 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. Okay, here's our challenge, here's our question today. And one part of students solve this question like that. They say, okay, 2 minus 2, I know about it, equal to 0. And right here we have 2 minus 2 also equal to 0. And with this 0 in the middle, 0 times 0 equal to 0, which is option A. So one part of students solve this question like that. And they solve this chaotically, they solve this in an easy way, they just wanted to subtract it and they do this. And of course, in terms of math, this is like a very bad solution because in math you should know rules, you should know properties, you should know maybe order of operation to solve this question, because this chaotic method in math, and doesn't matter in math in your life, this is very bad. We should know how can we do this question step by step and according to a correct order of operation, because obviously whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. And for this question, let's look for example at this PMDMC order of operation. This is like the most popular order of operation in the world, and let's solve this question according to this order of operation. Let's forget about this solution right here. I wanted to leave it right here. Okay, we compare with this solution right now, but right now let's try to solve it according to PMDMC. So we have 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. Here's our challenge, here's our question, and let's look at this PMDMC. This PMDMC have 6 steps right here, and let's go through the steps real quick and we will have correct answer. Maybe 0 is a correct answer, I don't know about it, but we check it according to a correct order of operation. Okay, so the first step, parentheses. Let's look at it. Where do we have this parentheses? No, I don't see any of those. We don't have any parentheses, so we just skip this part. We don't have any parentheses, and it's brilliant. We skip this part. Exponents. What about exponents right here? No, I don't see any of those. We don't have any cubes, squares, 10's power, 20's power, like huge powers right here. Imagine that you have it, you should do this. At first, you should raise this to its power, and we don't have it, and it's brilliant. We don't have any exponents right here. Okay, the next step, multiplication and division group. This is one common group according to PMDMC, and we should look at it in a perspective of a group. So where do we have this multiplication and division sign? Let's look at it. So multiplication, division sign, okay, subtraction, we don't need it right now. So yeah, right here we have multiplication sign, and we have subtraction sign. So we only need this multiplication part. So we don't have division part, we have only multiplication part. And this is very great because we find our first step. We don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we don't have division, we have multiplication. And this is our first step. And moreover, if you look a little bit further, so addition and subtraction, we don't have any addition sign, we have subtraction sign. So as you can see right here, multiplication and subtraction. So we have only 2 math operations. But if you look closely, multiplication is all the time before subtraction, all the time. Multiplication is all the time before addition. So we should do all the thing with this multiplication and division group. So you do the thing with multiplication and division, and then you can easily add and subtract, which is our last step. So just remember, if you have addition and subtraction, then you have your last step. But if you have multiplication and division signs, you should do it at first. So we have 2 minus, we have 2 times 2 equal to 4, and minus 2 right here. So 2 minus 4 minus 2, which is equal to, looks like minus 2. Okay, this is option C. Yeah, we have this option. And right now maybe here is the main question. What is the correct answer? Minus 4 or 0? This is a very interesting moment because 0 maybe looks like a correct answer. Minus 4 according to PMDMC is a correct answer. And here's my answer for you. The correct answer is minus 4 because we solved it according to a correct order of operation. Step by step, we just analyze this question. But right here, this is awful solution because we do subtraction before multiplication, then we jump to the right-hand side, which is very bad in our case. But with parentheses, if we have brackets right here, then this question will be correct. Yeah, we should start from this multiplication, we should start from this parentheses, and subtraction will be before multiplication because this subtraction sign is in parentheses, okay? is in parentheses right here. Then parentheses, in parentheses we have subtraction, right here 0, right here 0, and 0 will be correct answer. In our case, 0 is absolutely incorrect, and a correct answer is option C. I hope your answer is the same as mine, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. You can easily check this answer in scientific calculator, but don't use a regular calculator, because regular calculator solve this question as you type it in. So if you plug in this question into regular calculator, you'll have -2. Yeah, we have 2 minus 2. Your calculator gives you 0, then times 2 gives you 0, and then -2 equal to -2. Which is very tricky moment, so use your don't use your regular calculator and use your scientific or graphing calculator. Of course, if you have it, if you don't have it, just trust me. Correct answer is -4, option C. So we wish you all the best in your mathematical adventures. Thank you for your time and have a great day. See you in the next videos.